If you want to make AnyDesk connect without accept, the feature you need is called Unattended Access. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set it up so you can connect to your remote computer without waiting for someone to approve the session every single time. This is perfect for accessing your own office PC, home computer, or any device you regularly manage remotely. Before we begin, make sure you only enable this on devices you own or have permission to access. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open AnyDesk on the computer you want to access remotely. This needs to be the device that will stay online and available for remote connections. Once AnyDesk is open, look at the top right corner and click the menu icon. From the menu, select Settings. This is where all of the remote access options are stored, including the security features you need for unattended access. Inside Settings, click Access in the left sidebar. If the settings are locked, you may need to click Unlock first before you can make changes. This is normal, especially if AnyDesk is protecting the security options from being edited accidentally. Once you're in the Access section, scroll down until you find the Unattended Access area. This is the key setting that allows a remote connection to happen without someone physically clicking Accept on the other side. Now click Set Password for Unattended Access. You'll be asked to create a password that will be used anytime you connect to this device remotely. Enter a strong password that you'll remember, then re-enter it to confirm. After that, save the changes. This step is very important because this password becomes the gatekeeper for remote login. Without it, AnyDesk will still require manual approval. Next, look for the Permission Profile option. This controls what level of access you get after connecting. If you want complete control of the remote computer, select Full Access that allows you to interact with the system more freely, depending on the permissions you set. Once you've chosen the right profile, click Apply or OK to save everything properly. Now move to the second device you'll use for the connection. This can be another computer, a laptop, or even your phone, as long as you have AnyDesk installed there too. Open AnyDesk on that device and go to the Remote Desk field. Here, type in the AnyDesk address of the computer you set up earlier. This is the ID or alias that tells AnyDesk which machine you want to reach. After entering the address, click Connect. Instead of waiting for someone to accept the request, AnyDesk should now prompt you for the unattended access password you created earlier. Enter that password carefully. If you want faster logins in the future, you can also choose to save the login information, but only do this on a trusted device that you control. Then continue with the connection. Once the password is accepted, the remote session should open without needing anyone to click Accept on the other computer. That means you now have a proper unattended access setup, which is much faster and far more convenient for regular remote work. If the connection doesn't work right away, double-check that the password is correct, the permission profile is set, and the remote computer is online and running AnyDesk. And that's how you make AnyDesk connect without accept using unattended access. If this helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.